All right, guys, so this is early morning, and there's supposed to be about 3,500 cars coming, and as you can tell, of 3,500, some of the people are set up there already. We are just kind of going to be hanging out here for a bit till they move everybody up that has credentials and such. But there are some really sweet cars here.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you can get a rental anyway. And I'll do rental.
I'll check this thing out. This is sweet. Oh yeah. Yes, I know it's primer. It don't matter, it's primer. This thing is very, very cool. How you doing? Very cool, guys. Look at that. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. First name?
Mopar.
Oh, hey. Yeah. So you guys got a new channel too,
Yep.
right? Yeah, I think I saw you got this on it.
Yep.
I think I was sitting there, saw I was like, wait a minute.
Tweet us and Uncle Tony's Garage.
Yeah, I was actually, I talked to, because I was moving to Tennessee, you guys had one of your live shows. And
Right.
I was talking to Tony about it, well, like called in or not called in, but
On the live chat.
On the live chat, yeah, he was talking about it, so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she made it here in person.
Okay, that's why I was sitting there. I started looking at it, and I'm like, wait a minute, I know this car from somewhere because of the hood scoop. Because you guys were talking about the hood scoop.
Dude, a lot of people give so much crap over there.
So I was like, okay, this.
But they like it better now since I painted the top of it black.
Oh, okay.
So, but basically, it's a '68 Plymouth van, originally a 4-door, and was sitting on a Dodge D100 truck frame.
Right.
And we turned it into a 2-door. A lot of stuff we already had. The frame was given to us with the rear axle and the front axle on it. So,
and people who want to watch the build, they can.
They go to my channel.
Yeah.
There's a lot of videos on it, But so far she's doing good, man. She's got a 383 with a 302 cam in it, tunnel ram, 2 bores.
Now you guys doing just the Tennessee leg, or are you doing
we're doing the long haul?
All right.
So I got about 600 miles or so on the car right now, between the shakedown and actually driving here.
Right.
So we're still working out the little kinks. Our charging system is not really up to task right now with our electronic stuff.
Right.
So we went and picked up an extra battery this morning to run all that. So.
And you went with the rain delete option.
Oh yeah. Hey, I tell you what, the rain X worked perfect yesterday.
Did it?
We got caught to that little storm coming through Jackson, and it worked pretty good. But yeah, we're doing the log and haul on it. Of course, fuel is killing us right now. So.
Same thing when we booked this back in February. I booked it because I came from Fort Myers, so it was 1,000 miles.
Well, I'm originally from Florida.
Okay.
Tampa area.
Yeah, we came up here, and I had figured about $850 for fuel. Now I'm figuring about $1,500 at the end.
That's
of the
what
day.
we're talking last night, because we're only getting like about 11 miles to the gallon on this thing.
Yeah.
That's driving at 60 miles an hour. So.
Yeah. How's the heat on this?
Not bad. I mean, yeah.
Because they're having this record heat, and I mean the engine.
Well, the good thing is the fender well headers are sitting out here.
Right.
So that's a good thing.
So it's old because the old school gasser style lets the air come out instead of like.
Pump that pedal.
So instead of it coming into the interior.
We're getting a little heat on the floorboard, but nothing major. So basically the exhaust is going over this way.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's not underneath, so that's nice. So, and yeah, with the tilt, you can do that kind of thing with an inner fender.
And, I mean, the only issue we were having with the headers was the master cylinder being close on this side.
Okay. Oh, yeah, because it's heating up the brakes a little bit.
So I did a thermal wrap on the pipes that were closest to that, and that seems to have done the job. So.
Are you using the other dot fuel, the racing dot instead?
No, that's just got dot 3 in it right now.
Oh, okay. So maybe if you go to the stuff we use on the SCCA track. It's so.
Either go like dot 4 or dot 5.
Yeah, that may help if you.
But I mean, overall, I mean that did the trick. I don't have any more brake pain. Temperature wise, as long as you're rolling on the road, it's doing great. I don't even have to run the fan.
Oh, cool.
And I'm staying about 185, 190. So.
Oh, nice. So this is actually its shakedown cruise, kind of, sort of.
Yeah, but see, for us, it's going to be a 2,000 mile shakedown all round trip. So I know y'all got a little ways to go.
Yeah, I got about. We figured out 2,670 miles.
Yeah. Well, luckily for y'all, I mean, the last stop is in Atlanta, so I mean, we just zipped.
Yeah. Well, I'll be honest with you. Atlanta traffic is going to be. That's going to be a test.
Dude, the only thing good about Atlanta is at 3 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, I don't know what time we're supposed to get through there, but
yeah,
that's going to be. That's going to be a little craziness.
But I was looking at the route that they're taking us on, so I know the first leg we're getting off at exit 93.
Yeah.
And I guess we're taking Natchez Trace down to 412, and then coming up to the back of Columbia.
Well, that's a good way. If we come back from the south up, it's before you hit the city. But for those who are doing their own wing and coming back this way on, nope.
But no, she's doing good.
Well, cool. I'm glad. As I said, I saw it, and I was like, wait a minute. As soon as I saw that scoop, and I'm like, okay, it's an older Mopar with the scoop and its primer. I know this car from someplace.
Yeah, so. I mean, we ran out of time because originally I was going to work just on the body work, and get it done, and then the time frame just kept creeping on us. So it's like, well, we'll mess with that at the end of the year, and
it can come back next year painted.
Oh yeah, but I mean, it drives like a truck.
Hey, I mean, where everybody's into patina and stuff now, so gray primer's not far.
Oh, it's like the guy I was just talking with Terry. He follows me, and he came all the way from Pennsylvania.
Oh wow!
And he did it's got a Crown Vic conversion underneath it.
Does it really?
Yeah, so he's got AC and everything. And I think he told me he had like $2,000 in the whole build.
Yeah, it's crazy. Now we talked to somebody last night. We just put the video up this morning. Somebody had a classic Cadillac here, got stolen their first night. A 73 or 74.
Well, see, that's why we stayed up there.
I'm not where I'm staying, but they came to our place. We're staying over at 4 Points at the Sheraton. So.
Yeah, see, we stayed up in Brownsville last night.
Oh, okay.
Which is only like 50 miles.
Right.
Because with me being a truck driver, we had a terminal here in Memphis, and I know how Memphis was.
Well, we were in Nashville all weekend, and when we left there, they were like, I said, oh, because last time I was here.
Well, yeah, you should have hit us up.
Huh?
I said, should have hit us up.
So if you want to see that car, you can see it on Mopar Al on his YouTube channel, or you can see some of it on Uncle Tony's garage. So they've had it on there too. So that's pretty cool. So let's go up here, see what else we can see. And as you guys can see, there's families here and everything else. Where it says merchandise store right here, merchandise store link, you will see it says https:/junkyards-barn-finds, and you click on that and it's going to take you here. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.